Lesson 2. Managing files and folders in Windows 10. A computer has a special set of programs to manage all the jobs of the computer and make it run. This is known as the operating system. Windows 10 is a popular operating system. It is the most popular platform ever made from user point. It is a graphical user interface. Windows 10 was released in 2015. Desktop. The first screen that opens up after the loading is called desktop. It consists of icons, shortcuts, folders, desktop background and taskbar. They are opened by double-clicking a particular icon. Start button. There is a small button present at the bottom left corner of the desktop. This is called the Start button. On clicking it, you can see two panels. The first panel shows the list of various options which can be used to open a particular application, the power button to shut down or restart the system, and the most used applications. The second panel contains some recent and most commonly used applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Xbox, Microsoft Edge, and so on. You can open any application with just a single click. Tech fact. The Start button can also be opened by pressing Windows key on the keyboard. This PC icon, whatever stored on your computer, is accessible from this PC icon. This icon is used to contain drives. When you click on it, you can see the contents including folders, network locations, or other external storage devices. Tech fact. C. Drive represents hard disk drive and A, F, and G are the partitions of hard drives. D is used for DVD and H drive is used for external storage drive like pen drive. When you double-click on this icon, a window opens, as shown. This window is divided into two panes. Left pane shows the list of icons or folders in a hierarchical format. When you click on an arrow preceding a particular icon or folder, it displays the list of sub-icons or subfolders in it. Right pane shows the contents of an icon or a folder which you have clicked in left pane. Clicking on the file or folder in right pane displays its contents further. If you want to search a particular file or folder, type its name in the search box. It is present at the top right corner of the window. File Explorer. A file explorer is the same as Windows Explorer in the previous versions of Windows. This feature is used to provide the details of all the files, folders, and drives available in the system. You can view, create, copy, move or remove the files and folders. Opening File Explorer. To open File Explorer, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. From the list, select the File Explorer option. The File Explorer window opens. It looks the same as this PC window. It is made up of two panes. Left pane shows the list of icons, files and folders in a hierarchical format. Right pane shows the contents of the file or the folder you have selected in the left pane. File. To keep important papers, you stack them in a file. Similarly, you can create a file folder on the computer to maintain important information in it. It is a collection of related information stored in drive like hard disk, pen drive, or DVD with a name. You can then access the files by the name given to it. A file can be opened by double-clicking on it. The file opens with all the information stored in it with its name. How to create and save a file. A file can be any Word document, PowerPoint presentation, Excel spreadsheet, Notepad, or WordPad file. By using Word 2016, let us create a Word file. Following the given steps, Step 1. Open the Word 2016 application software. Step 2. Now, open a blank document. Step 3. Write some contents in it. After completing your work, you need to save the file. Step 4. To save a file, go to File, Save As. Step 5. Click on the Browse option. A Save As dialog box opens. Step 6. Select the location where the file is to be saved. Step 7. Type the name for the file in the file name text box. Step 8. Click on the Save button. The file will get saved. Folder. A folder is a way to organize relevant files. It is the storage space on a container where many files can be placed into groups. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. You can double-click on a folder to open it. When you open a folder, you can view the files and subfolders it contains. If you click on any file or subfolder, it further opens its contents. How to create a folder? To create a folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop screen. A pop-up menu comes on the screen. Step 2. Hover your mouse pointer on New option. A sublist opens. Step 3. Select the folder option. A new folder will be created and will appear on the desktop screen with the name New Folder. You will see that it is highlighted so that you can type a new name for it. Step 4. Type the new name of the folder and press the Enter key from the keyboard. Tech fact. You can also create shortcut of a folder by right-clicking on it and select Shortcut from New option. How to rename a file or folder? Renaming a file or folder means to change the name of a file or folder. To rename, follow the given steps. Step 1. Bring the mouse pointer on the file or folder whose name is to be changed. Step 2. Right-click on it. A pop-up list comes. Step 3. Click on the Rename option. The file or folder name will get highlighted. Step 4. Type the new name for it. Step 5. Press the Enter key from the keyboard. Properties of file folder. To check the properties of any file or a folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on any file or a folder. A pop-up list appears on the screen. Step 2. Select the Properties option from the list. A Properties window opens. Step 3. You can check the properties by clicking on the respective tab like the type of a folder, date and time of creation, size of a folder, security and sharing properties, etc. How to delete a file or a folder. Follow the given steps to delete a file or a folder. Step 1. Right-click on the file or the folder which you want to delete. A pop-up list appears on the screen. Step 2. Select the Delete option. The folder will be removed from the desktop and moved to the Recycle bin. Recycle bin. All the files and folders that we delete are moved to the Recycle bin. If you delete a file or folder by mistake, you can restore it from the Recycle bin. Double-click on the Recycle bin icon on the desktop. The Recycle bin window opens. To restore selected files and folders to their original location, select the files or folders and click on Restore the Selected Items button. To delete all the deleted files and folders permanently, click on the Empty Recycle bin button. Shortcut. A shortcut is an icon that provides an easy and quick method to open any application or software that we use frequently. There is a small jump arrow present at the lower left corner of the shortcut icon. Double-clicking on the shortcut icon opens the file or program that it represents. To create a shortcut, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Go to All Apps. Step 3. Select any application or a program whose shortcut you want to create. Step 4. Click and drag it to the desktop. You will see that the shortcut of the program is created. Now, you can double-click on the shortcut to open it. Knowledge Zone. Satya Nadella is an Indian-American business executive and the current Chief Executive Officer of Microsoft. He was appointed CEO on 4th February 2014. If you have more than one hard disk drives on your computer, it is advised to save your files on Drive D, as your files may get lost if Drive C gets corrupted.